beep, go to sleep. Written by Todd Tarplay, illustrated by John Rocco. Three little robots, time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensors ache. I want more oil. Better now, then rest your head. Three little robots back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking, no more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squinking, oinking. Oinking? Go to sleep. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots snuggled deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. Shh. The end.